Hey everyone, we are making the best ever chewy coconut chocolate chip cookies. And for that, you need flour, sugar, chocolate chip, eggs, coconut, pecans, oil, butter, some baking powder, and some baking soda. So let's get started. We'll go ahead and first whisk an egg in a large bowl. Then we will add the oil. I'm using a mix of olive and coconut and some butter to it, and then whisk this batter once again. Once that's done, now add the sugar. I'm using coconut sugar, so I'm just gonna go ahead, whisk everything together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the flour to this mixture. The flour already has the baking powder and the baking soda mixed into it. Once you've added the flour and folded it, then you add chocolate chips, pecans, and coconut flakes to it. Now mix everything together. On a baking tray, let's scoop the cookie dough, and I'm gonna place 9 cookies on this baking sheet. I'm using an ice cream scoop to measure out the cookie so that everything comes out even, but you can even use a spoon to do this. Now place the cookie in a preheated oven and bake them for 8 to 9 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool for 2 minutes, and then I'm ready to serve them. So go ahead and enjoy these best ever chewy coconut chocolate chip cookies and find the recipe at www.easycookingwithmolly.com. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. Bye.